Right, so we've spent a bit of time looking at different types of variables. We've dealt with this idea of money. And we've noticed obviously there's lots and lots of things that seem to be wrong with our version of money. So let's try and fix that right now. In order to fix it, we have to use something called a number format. And to use a number format, you have to type in specific things. The first thing you have to do is, up here, type in the word import, in a space, java dot text dot, then N for number, and it's there. I can type it if I want, but guess what else you can do? Select it with the mouse, semicolon. What this does is, it's adding in part of the code form that I need to use. This thing called number format deals with the currency, and it's held within a thing called text, which has lots of things about text related to it, including currency, which is also held within this main area called Java. So imagine Java contains lots of things, including stuff about text, and inside text contains lots of stuff about text, including number format. And the word import means I want to use this specific one here. I'll hit the save button to make sure it's saved. So that's a strange line, but it's a line you have to include if you want to do this thing related to currency and money, basically. Further down, I can make a variable. I can make it near the top. I'll make it probably underneath my last variable that I created, so it's nice and neat. And again, I'll indent it so it's lining up with all the rest of the variables. I have to create a brand new thing called number format. So it says number format. It doesn't say int or double or string. It's another type of information called number format. And I have to make a box to keep it somewhere in memory or a variable, so I'll call it NF, meaning number format. And I'll put in UK, right? I'll explain why I want UK. It's 'cause I know for a fact that we're living in the UK at the moment, so I'm basically saying I want to find out how numbers are formatted for the UK. So that's my variable name there, NFUK equals number format, that's the first piece, dot get. Now look, as I type this in mine, you might not do it, but mine does it, which is dead handy. And I'm looking for get currency instance, and I can see it straight away, it's there in the list. So I'm going to select that there. And once it's typed in for me, I've got two curved brackets, and then I just put in a semicolon there, and the red error message goes away. I can now save this. Now I haven't changed any of the output yet. I haven't made it look like money, but I'm going to use this thing called NFUK. We're going to use this to make it look a little bit like money. So we'll see that in another few seconds. So down here, I'm going to find a place, there's one there. I'll take away that pound sign for a start. I'll still leave a space in there. I'm going to change this part. So I want to take this thing called money spent, I want to make it look like currency. What I do is I put in NF UK, that's my number format set for the UK, dot format, open curved bracket. And inside here I have to decide what I would put in. I'll delete that stuff there, so I'm basically putting this in, this thing called D money spent, and then close curved bracket. So NFUK dot format, I'll take whatever I've got in UK inside these brackets and make it look like UK money. So now hit save. This one we said money spent. There's no pound sign there as well, we'll notice that. Then hit run. And now it says money spent pounds 2.10. So it's really £2.10. And it's put the pound sign in for me because I wanted it formatted like UK money, so it's gave me the pound sign as well. So what I can do then is change all the rest of my output to make that work for it. So I'll get rid of my pound signs wherever I see them. Make sure there's a little space in there. And it's going to be NFUK dot format, open curved bracket, delete the stuff that's there. I want that inside it, close curved bracket, there's one done. Then just keep doing it for n related to money. There's another one. So it'll be NFUK dot format, open curved bracket, go to the end, close curved bracket. Right? That's not money, that's not money, that's not money. Ah, there's money, price. Let's fix that as well while we're here. Change that to NFUK dot format, open bracket, and then close bracket there. And there's another one about money. Lots of stuff about money here. Delete that there. And do the same thing. NFUK dot, and it's format, open bracket, all the way to the end of this variable here, close bracket. That's quite a lot. But they all say any of UK relates to money. So let's save all this. Let's run it again. And this time when you see it, all of the money parts are now formatted like money. Right? You might also notice as well that some of them maybe round up a little bit because the money format's looking for real numbers. And these real numbers may have, like, say, a dot a dot 899999 recurring, and it tends to round those up. So that's why we've got 0.90 there, like 90 pence basically. And that's it. That's how to make it look like currency. Very quick.